Yeah, it's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's your boy, it's your man, Young Josh A, coming through with the plan. I wrote a couple songs and I gained a couple lives. Moved to Orlando, now I'm living fine. Yeah, I got a brain for a dentist and I train like a menace, but the passion is music. I've been in it for a minute, goddamn. Giving it everything that I can, I've been making some fire. My ego is boosted, I don't wanna go back. I've been looking at my life like a throwback. How far I've came, man, that's so rad. I remember when they said my music's so bad. Young, shy, and chosen, they laugh until they hear this young man go in. I've been making the killing, just chasing my dreams, right until I cannot breathe, yeah.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, it's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that super. Man, what can I say? Other than that, I am great. I've been at it making songs every single day, and the people want more, so I'm slaving away. About to quit my job and name my manager my mixtape. Yeah, this is my passion. Y'all ain't ready for the tape and the game I'll tap in. I just really wanna make it, man, I'll make it happen. And there's gonna be more than just pointless stabbing. Drop love, then I found a new outlet. Girls run me out, swear they need a new outfit. No romance anymore, got a hand on the door, and I'm leaving that part of my life. Man, like Isaac Newton, no excuses. I'ma just focus on it, only music. History only wants the contributions. I don't think they care about your body count. Yeah. Yeah, it's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's that super. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game, Bitch, I'm an animal, eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of how others perceive, but let me be straight up, this shit is for me. Me, this shit is for me. Bitch, verbatim, working all day, these games I'm playing. Killing every shitty rapper, motherfucker slam. Let them all know I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Yeah. Right now. Yeah. On my grind all day, rap so good, but I get so paid. I ain't from the hood, but I've had bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed, so you could sell loud and sound so motherfucking
goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these lines. Schooling good grades where I fell behind. Picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check, swagging out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now.
to switch it up a little bit, and yeah.
I don't know just how I'm on that wave now. And she don't know just how I'm making paper. She just wants to see.
I can get it turned up like a lot in the headphones, like a ridiculous amount.
And I don't know just how I'm on that wave now. And she don't know just how I'm making paper. She just wanna see me in the day now. But I'm making moves, so we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night.
Hold up, wait a minute, that's just how we live and that's just how we get it, yeah. Lately I've been trying to focus on my vision, that's just how we spin it on. Spend all my time on this music at night trying to write all these hits. Living life like this, they don't get it, but that's all we know. That's just how we roll, how we go. Grinding through like every night. How we roll, how we go. Grinding through like every night. How we roll, how we go. That's just how we live a life. How we roll, how we go. Grinding through like every night. And I don't know just how I'm on that wave now. And she don't know just how I'm making paper. She just wanna see me in the day now. But I'm making moves, so we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night. Yeah, been out of working like every single day. A musical trap, I'm a bird in a cage. I'm just trying to make a better life for myself, life for my kids, building my wealth, so I'm grinding this music out. Always sober till I make a hit, and then another hit, and then another one. Living life like this, they don't get it, but that's all we know. That's just how we roll, how we go. Grinding through like every night. How we roll, how we go. Grinding through like every night. How we roll, how we go. That's just how we live a life. How we roll, how we go. Grinding through like every night. And I don't know just how I'm on that wave now. And she don't know just how I'm making paper. She just wanna see me in the day now. But I'm making moves, so we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night, yeah, we chillin' in the late nights. Late at night.
My boy Josh A done diddly did it. He went from spitting some fire bars and now he's just out here, spitting some love songs. He's doing it. He's got some melodics. I don't even know if that's a word, but he's got it.
Why you bullying me?
I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like the lonely vibe. But they'll never know, cause I'm always on my grind. And I live a lonely life and I'm never getting stressed, cause I gotta stay. Cause I gotta stay.
Do some cuts.
I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like the lonely vibe. But they'll never know, cause I'm always on my grind. And I live a lonely life and I'm never getting stressed, cause I gotta stay. Cause I gotta stay. I've been so alone ever since I left the tribe. That's just how it goes, guess I like the lonely vibe. But they'll never know, cause I'm always on my grind. I live a lonely life and I'm never getting stressed, cause I gotta stay.
Yeah, last night, life been way too rad, right? I've been making hits and making tracks, you know that mad light. I've been feeling way too fucking savage, and my parents saying that I'm living way too fucking lavish. No more broke days are grown, no more throwing shit. That shit I finally quit, like my job, take it back. Summertime I reminisce, back when I was flipping burgers, tearing tickets, man at work, chasing checks. That's the humble shit that take you down to earth. I remember getting friend zone, now girls stream me like the carpet. Are your friends home? Bitch, get the memo. Riding around the city with my friends like every day. Then get home and work on music like the lines of Chick-fil-A.
That's a long time.
Swear my fears have all gone in my A. Now my motive is to overcome everything in my way. In my mind, I've been feeling locked up, I've been feeling fly.
Cancer alert! Cancer alert!
I've been feeling locked up, I've been feeling fly up. No, I swear every day feels like the next, and I don't know why I'm so damn stressed. I don't even know why I can't stop. All I know is that I'm taking no days off.
Yeah. Started from snack bars and fast food on the daily. Got me a desk job and they said that would make me. Made me crazy, made me lazy. But hey, look at where that shit led me. Yeah. Now I'm doing everything that I could ever want. No sleep, so stressed, but man, I'm having fun. And to everyone who thought that I was about to fall, you haven't begun to see my all. Grinding every second, no clock be staring at me. Working for free temporarily, reaching for what I'm seeking. And now I'm setting on the precipice. Can you preface this restlessness? The stress has got my head in a mess, and you all can bet that I'm setting. I'm waiting for the time that you can sing these lines all of the time.
In my mind, I've been feeling locked up, I've been feeling flyed up. In my mind, I've been feeling locked up, I've been feeling flyed up. No, I swear every day feels like the next, and I don't know why I'm so damn stressed. I don't even know why I can't stop. All I know is that I'm taking no days off.
Taking no days off.